How does the Rhinic cortex explain déjà vu? Imagine walking into a room and feeling like you've been there before, even though you know you haven't. That strange sense is called déjà vu, and scientists are still trying to understand it. One part of the brain that might hold the key is called the Rhinic cortex. It's a small area located in the temporal lobe, right near the brain's emotion and memory center, known as the limbic system. The Rhinic cortex is involved in processing smells and emotions, which are closely tied to memories. It includes the olfactory cortex, the part that helps us interpret smells, and it works closely with the hippocampus, which stores our memories. Because smells are so powerful in triggering memories, the Rhinic cortex plays a big role in how we remember things and how those memories influence our feelings. Here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes, the Rhinic cortex activates unexpectedly or out of sync with other parts of the brain. When this happens, it can create a brief overlap between what we are experiencing now and a memory stored in our brain. This overlap might make us feel like the current moment is familiar, even if it's actually new. Think of it like a glitch in the brain's memory system. The Rhinic cortex sends signals that partially match past experiences, but these signals are not connected to real memories. Instead, they create a false sense of familiarity. That's why you might feel like you've seen or experienced something before, even though it's the first time. This explains why déjà vu feels so real and convincing. It's not just a random feeling but a result of how our brain's memory and sensory systems interact. When the Rhinic cortex triggers these false memories, it tricks the brain into thinking the present moment is familiar. It's like a brief misfire in the brain's wiring, where emotions and smells linked to memories come together unexpectedly. This interaction shows how closely our senses, feelings, and memories are connected in the brain, especially in the temporal lobe. So, next time déjà vu hits you, remember that your Rhinic cortex might be playing a surprising role. It's helping your brain connect current sensory input with past experiences, even if those memories aren't real. This fascinating process reveals how complex and marvelously connected our human mind truly is.